Hello Internet, welcome to episode 2 of GameDevJourney. So for this episode, we're gonna put these little action or arrow buttons into the little black slot below. So I've been following her tutorial, and I think this episode of making an inventory might solve my problem too. So for now, I've followed the tutorial exactly, which resulted, as you can see, these two little arrows below, which is like prefabs already placed inside it. It's not a big problem, but my game doesn't need it. The problem is that if I try to drag the clone arrow into it, it doesn't really snap into the slot. And only that, if I put it outside the slot, it goes into the little green area I have. So I've changed some scripts, which is mainly these two, which is to destroy the previous clone if another action was put into it. So instead it replaces it. And not only that, another one is that if I drag it outside of the slots, it will get destroyed instead of it getting back into that green little space. So as you can see, I can drag it, and then if I drop it outside, it gets destroyed. And I can also put it into the slot, which fits nicely now. And not only that, I can swap the actions around, and as you can see, I can also replace them. So now that it works, what I need to do is to remove the two little arrows that already exist into the slots, which I think is because of this code. It's like putting a game object into it. So for now, I'm gonna turn it off instead of deleting them, because I want to turn it back on just for debugging, and add this new line of code, which is just a fixed version of the one below. And also, I forgot to record this, but I did turn off this line because it's just there for putting the action. So let's test it. There are 7 slots because I just changed it. And as you can see, it's working as before too, which means the code didn't mess any depth. So now that it works, I'm gonna change the second forward arrow into a rotation arrow, which my game designer has sent. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna save it to Unity version control so that my team can also view it. So that's it for this episode. Bye bye.